I just saw an article talking about the digital skills and what should be expected. It was funny because one of them made the comment of, we're expecting digital marketers to be a Swiss Army knife, to have this many skills that can be used at any point. But there was another one that was very interesting because, to your point about even older employees, that all the talent is not coming to the industry, and what talent is left has gone out and competing as freelance, and the people that stay are junior. And then another response in the article said that we desperately need to keep these experienced people. They're the ones who understand how to build strategies across multiple platforms. Youngsters do not have this experience.
That's a joke. You know, my philosophy, it's not about limiting around age. In fact, one of the chapters in my book is it's not about age, it's about identity. Your age doesn't limit you or the skills that you have. I always debunk this because I coach individuals who are from multiple generations. And I will tell you that you may have someone who has 30 to 40 plus 50 years experience. Yes, you have historical data of the organization, but if the organization is wanting to move from, say, paper based to digitized solutions, or if you're looking to move from just in person meetings to hybrid meetings or virtual meetings, I'm just using technology as an example. But if you're looking to find different ways of engaging people on your team and you think that, okay, just giving the giving the lecture, giving the training, when all the data out there is showing us that we need multiple modalities and continuity to keep our employees engaged and keep them feeling like they belong, then where is all of that wisdom going to come from if you're not keeping updated?